This visible seam right here spoils the overall look of our crochet work, doesn't it? As crocheters, we all have encountered this feeling that this might look ugly, right? Hiding the seam when we work in the round is much easier when you have to when we don't count the chain 3 or the chain 2 as our stitch. But when we have to turn our work in every round, the seams gets much worse, doesn't it? So I'm going to show you this little circle here I made with double crochet and half double crochet, and I'm turning in each row and there is no seam. See, and it looks beautiful. So you can avoid having this seam by not chaining when you turn your work. That's right, you don't need to chain, just continue your work. If you start with a double crochet, just double crochet, or half double crochet, just half double crochet, like this one here. So I'm going to show you. This is a half double crochet round. See, this is where my seam is and it's not visible. So in this round I'm going to work with double crochet just to show you. So when you turn your work, okay, like this, make sure this yarn is from this side of your work, okay, not from the front, not like this, because I tried making it from this part. When my yarn is from this side, it is still visible. So but when I try this, it doesn't show as much. So you just take that yarn and continue to make your double crochet or half double crochet. So I'm working this round with double crochet just to show you guys. Okay, I will continue this round to show how this works. So when you work in the round like this, so obviously your last double crochet will be in the stitch here, or your last half double crochet. When you join, this is the piece of yarn that we carry with us from behind our crochet hook. You will join here on top of your first stitch only, okay, on top of that first stitch, and there you have it, no seam at all. So I'm going to show you my work. Okay, I'm still, see, it has no seam at all, and this is where I started my work. This is the first double crochet. This is my first half double crochet. I know it because this piece of yarn right here, see, otherwise you will not see the seam. So I hope it helps. If you find this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up and do share and subscribe, and thank you so much.